lot of moms are inquiring about savings plan for their kids. Hinahanap nila yung guarantee, hinahanap nila yung may payout. Yan din ba ang hinahanap niyo for your kids? To give them Akbaw for life. Yes, I can show that plan for you. Ang maganda dito, you don't need to shell out a lot of money. You can start with around 5 to 10,000 a month na ipon. So be consistent and starting on the 8th year or on the 10th, 11th year depending on the plan that you want to have for your kids. Magsisimula na ang payout natin. Let's say, nasa 1 million yung base amount natin, we'll receive 10%. Starting on the 8th year, 100,000 guaranteed payout. Every other year, sa mga existing clients ko, what they do with the funds, they use that for their tuition. So itong guaranteed payout nito, matatanggap to ng mga anak natin until they reach age 65. Habang buhay na sila makakatanggap ng payouts. On top of that, meron pa siyang life insurance. Insurance doubles. 1 million yan, may 2 million siyang life insurance. Ngayon, at age 65, 1 million na fees amount. Plus, dividends. If you want to know more, just PM me and I'm happy. I'll be glad to give you a quotation and let's work on the Akbaw for life for your kids.